Look, hop off the plane, feet is on land, head of my suite, ayy. They counted me out, they wanted me to fail, got the receipts, ayy. Pressure McDonald's, you better not fold, better not crumble, ayy. Where I'm from, that's not the point in your life where you fumble, ayy. Hold up, look, I ain't worried about the past. Look how far I came from what I didn't have. Hold up, look, only focus on the bag. Look how far I came from what I didn't have. I bet on myself, my work at the show, you see that I'm all in. You pass me the ball, I'm scoring a rock, you see that we ballin'. She chillin' with me, she wanna be riding around in a foreign. We high up this life, we took us a hit through the city, we soaring. Remember them days that I needed a meal. Now I be grinding to give me a meal. They say my talent is one in a mil. This not for play, this for real. I took some days to beat it myself. Would you go quick right before your success? Chasing your dreams, got your life in a mess. Ay. See my mind is full, I don't wanna think no more. Ay. You gon' walk away, I'ma kick down the door. I'ma find a way, I've been down before. I ain't breaking even, I would never draw. Look, hop off the plane, feet is on land, head of my suite, ayy. They counted me out, they wanted me to fail, got the receipts, ayy. Pressure McDonald's, you better not fold, better not crumble, ayy. Where I'm from, that's not the point in your life where you fumble, ayy. Hold up, look, I ain't worried about the past. Look how far I came from what I didn't have. Hold up, look, only focus on the bag. Look how far I came from what I didn't have.
I manifested the motive, the mission. Had got sick of sitting around and just wishing I roll up the sleeves to get out and go get it. Some kept it pushing, some blind to the vision, but I had the key for the doorway existed. Way up the ladder, they can't even fathom the purpose. I'm setting it permanent, infinite. Why you think I had to go and get Timothy? You can't avoid the future when it's imminent. You can keep the loathing in the sentiments. I'm way too locked in to be giving attention to DUI. I won't stop at the limit until I die. Make my moment in history, remember why you had started and finished it front line. You know Slimmy militant preach. I'm back off of the collar, the leash. Took it in, I adopted the game. I should get a check from the state every week. Work ethic, I climb to the peak and repeat. No burnout, I'm constantly leaking the heat. They sending it, packing it, shipping it, label distributed. I hit them back with the feet. It never stopping the stats off the sheet. I lay all of this on the table. I did all I did for the crown. Can't be nothing less than what I'm made for. They won't give it till you gotta take it. Then separate all the good ones from the greatest. And all the realest from the fakest. The game is all I know. The game is all I know. And I can't lay that down. My ego won't allow. I'm still fulfilling dreams of my inner child. I know it make them proud. Sometimes I think it's wild. Could've chose a lane that wouldn't have took as long. Without the up and downs, what would I have found? I guess I never know. But this is now. I've been at the check. I've been in the lab. I've been in and out. I ain't weighing in. I'm the biggest I done been. I'm the biggest all around. Ain't no room to doubt. Cause the second that you let it in, it's never moving out. Tell them move around. If you ain't trying to make it big, you better make it out. Point is, no, I have no time. I have no time to waste, no time to slack. You know, the point of this, I want to keep pushing. I want to go hard as I can, as much as I can. You know, do everything I can with the time I have. I can't waste a second, not 1 second. So, that's how I feel. That's where I'm at right now. Let's get it.
High girl dumb man. Bad bitch, she's a fuego. Weak hoes always hating cause they built like a Lego. I can't even trip unless we going overseas. Got a nigga 6'10", so we seeing everything. If it ain't the money, call and get the dial tone. Y'all still switching lanes while I'm switching different time zones. Got him reaching for me like a milestone. How a hoe think she gon' check me, baby, I'm grown. Fly me out to Paris, bad bitch. I just want the money I can manage. Bust me down, I want a ring with the carrots. They know I'm the one, that's why they staring. Fly me out to London on some dumb shit. I don't want your man unless he know to put his thumb in. Apple bottom jeans looking dumb. They just told the DJ run it back, I ain't no one hit.
Hey, look at what we made. Look at where we going. Hey, everybody wanna see me stop. Breaking down walls, no sheetrock. Hot boy steaming off top like teapots. Hey, yeah, y'all want smoke, then get hit with a detox. Coast to coast, been a pro, shoot knee locks. Y'all don't rap, the bars weak, those cheap shots. Good, I came through blazing. Call me Kanye, West Craven. Been a villain, I don't need no praising. No cape, I don't do no saving. Ayy, look what you made them. Took everything, look what you gave them. I don't do no handouts, bitch. I'ma stand outside till it pan out. Bitch, I'm a man now, pull 100 grand out quick on your chick pick. Look at how she fan out, Nick. Life's a trip, but it panned out. Even with a man down, got my whole team a chip. I don't need a grip, I just need a flip. And flip that 10 times and we see what it get, yeah. That's why I had a bone to pick, how to control the ship so I can go legit. Let's get it going. Leading the charge, team full of dogs.